Hello and welcome back to another video with Quark-Elec. Today we're looking at how to connect via Wi-Fi to OpenCPN to be able to view AIS and GPS information. In this case, using our A054T portable Class B+ transponder. As we are using the A054T as an AIS receiver in this video, we do not need to have the vessel information relating to its transponder function configured. With the A054T turned on, we can connect to its Wi-Fi network using the SSID and password found within the onboard menu pages. Once connected, launch OpenCPN. We then need to establish the connection within the program. Click the Options cog and head to the Connections tab, and then add a new connection. Here, you can set up either a serial connection or network. For this video, we're using network. For this connection, we are only needing to change two settings. The rest can remain unchanged from the default values. For IP address, we can enter 192.168.4.1 and port to 2000. These values can be found within the user manual. If connecting via station mode, the steps remain the same. However, the connected network and IP address will vary. Once done, click OK, then Apply and OK again. You will now see the AIS targets and GPS information appear. From the Connections tab, we can also enable NMEA debug. This will show us the exact NMEA messages being received. As always, stay safe and happy sailing.